This belongs to an IT industry. The logo requirements are as shown on the screen. So let's start the timer. Click on the line tool. Holding shift drag the tool. Holding alt drag the tool. Ctrl D for duplicate. Select everything and right click and go to group. Right click and go to transform and click on rotate. Rotate it to 90 degree and click on copy. Again click on line tool and follow the steps as shown on the screen. With the help of grid we can create strong and crisp logos. So that's why I decided to create a logo using grid today. Select everything and with the help of shape builder tool, shape the as for shown on the screen. If you need more such logos using grid, the link is in the description. So somehow I am not satisfied with this logo. So we have lots of time, as today it is not a time based job. Simply we have taken 20 minutes. So we will create as many as revision with the same grid method. This is how we use to create logo when we get a client description. So all the three logos are on the screen. Let's select one of them. Okay, this one is okay. So let's go with this. Type the logo name with the help of type tool and follow the steps as shown on the screen. I need the connectivity bit icon which I am not still getting. Still, I am not satisfied with the logo and definitely will refine it on Wednesday. Let's create small visual presentation using colors. Today, you have learned how to use the grid tool. Time is there but not a specific idea. If you have any idea or suggestion for this logo which will help me to refine, then please comment me in the comment box. So see you in the next video with an amazing idea. Thank you for watching.